Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I'm making stuffed manicotti. So let's go over my ingredients. I have some manicotti pasta, some Italian sausage, it's sweet Italian sausage, some mozzarella cheesy melts, ricotta cheese, and Mama's Special Garden Sauce by Ragu, Italian seasoning, minced onion, and garlic powder. So let's get started. And I also forgot we have garlic bread. Okay, so first thing is we have our pot of boiling water, and I'm going to add salt to that water because it's very important to salt your water for your pasta. Now I'm going to use all 3 boxes of this manicotti pasta, but I'm not going to end up using them towards the end. But the reason why I make so many is because these bigger manicotti shells like that, they fall apart really easy. And I just figured it'd be better to have more than less. So we're going to get ready, finish dropping the rest of these in, and let them boil. Okay, moving on to our next step, we are going to be cooking up the Italian sausage, and I'm going to be cutting the Italian sausage out of its casing to cook. I could have got ground sausage, but the store that I shop at, they didn't have any, so we're just going to do it this way. Okay, I got most of our Italian sausage ready in there. Just this last one I'm going to do. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and break this meat up some and add some seasoning to it. Okay. Break the meat up, the Italian sausage up. My manicottis are boiling up nicely there in the background. So I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning. And some minced onion. Now you can chop up regular onion if you like. I just used the minced onion because I just wanted a hint of the onion flavor, not a lot of onion. Okay, I have to get this meat broken up a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to get ready to get this manicotti shells out. Now I am using a spoon that has the slits in it because I'm not using a strainer. I'm going to just pull them out of the boiling water like this because I don't want to damage the manicotti shells. Okay, they turned out pretty good. We're just going to have a few more in there that we have to finish boiling up some. But these ones, they turned out pretty good. Not too much breakage. Okay, let's check out that Italian sausage, how it's doing. It's coming along pretty good. This kitchen smells amazing. Okay, ground sausage is about done. Go ahead and pull out the rest of these manicotti shells. Okay, this is going to be the last one here. Got a whole bowl of manicotti. Whatever I don't use, I'm going to save, and maybe we'll heat up with some butter or something like that. Okay, and now it's time to go ahead and get out the sausage. And I'm going to use that same spoon so I don't get any of that grease in my mixture that I'm going to be making. See, that Italian sausage leaves a lot of grease behind. Okay, so there's all of the Italian sausage and the manicotti shells ready. So I'm going to get ready to make my stuffing for, you know, what's going to go inside of the manicotti shells. So here we have the ricotta cheese, and I am going to use this whole thing. This is what I'm stuffing the shells with. We're going to add some seasoning to this as well. Going to add in some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, and I'm going to mix this until everything is evenly mixed with the cheese and the sausage. Add a little bit more Italian seasoning. You might think it's a big or large amount of this mixture to be stuffed inside of the manicotti, but it turns out to be just perfect for how much I'm going to be making. Okay, so we're going to coat the bottom of our baking pan with some of the sauce, and then after that, here comes the fun part of stuffing these. Now, this is the first time that I've ever made stuffed manicotti, so pretty fun. So here we go with the first one. Okay, get the other end. It's doing pretty good. But I will end up switching to a spoon because it's going to be much easier to do it with a spoon. Okay. Stuff's pretty good. We're going to go ahead and lay this down in our pan over top of our sauce there. Okay, stuff in a couple more. Quite the experience. I enjoy cooking though, so it didn't bother me at the least to do this, you know. It is just giving me a hard time. It does not want to be stuffed in there. So I think this is the point where I switch to a spoon. Okay. Yeah, so here's the spoon. Let's give this a shot. Much better. I don't know why in my mind I was thinking that that little spatula thing would be better. Because I guess I thought it was smaller than the spoon, but I don't know. Okay, first one with the spoon turned out pretty good. Let's show you this one more. It starts falling out the other end. And like I said, it's the first time I'm making this, so... But I had fun with it. Okay, I had to move them around a little bit, but moving right along, I'm gonna put some sauce on top of the manicotti shells. The stuffed manicotti. I'm going to go ahead and spread the sauce out. Now this is going to be like a 2-layered stuffed manicotti dish. Okay, so getting some more in there. Now at this point some of my manicotti shells did start to break, but that's okay. So here we have the second layer. Looks so yummy. We're gonna add some more sauce on the top of this. Have the second jar. There it is. Spread that out. And then we're gonna take that other thing of ricotta cheese and I'm gonna spread that out on top of the 2 layers of the stuffed manicotti. Now this is a great dish for like a Sunday when you have a lot of family over. If you're just cooking for a lot of people, it's really good. And I did have 2 of the ricotta cheese, and this is the second one, and I am using all of the second one. Okay, so that's about all that, and then I'm gonna get all that spread out over top. Spread this out nice and evenly. I'm going to add the rest of the sauce on. Some Italian seasoning on top of the sauce. some garlic powder. And then I'm gonna add that creamy melt mozzarella. Okay, and then this is gonna bake for about an hour or so, or longer, just depending on your oven. And you're gonna want to bake it till the cheese is a nice golden brown. And I'm just gonna add some more Italian seasoning there on the top. Now let's get a close up. Yum! That's a lot of manicotti. Okay, pop this baby in the oven. I have it set at 400. And we'll be back in about an hour or so. We gotta pop the garlic bread in soon too. I'm gonna wait a little bit until the manicotti's been cooking for a little while before I put that in. Okay, let's check things out. Coming along, but it's not quite done yet. Popped that garlic bread in already. Okay, we'll be right back and it'll be done. So here we have our finished dish. Here is our stuffed manicotti bake and our garlic bread. And that just looks yummy. That golden melted cheese is so good. And I will have some pictures at the end of this video also. Thank you for watching Manny's Planet. Bye!